Number 16 says this. What if the 8th place jump length for 2009 was 222 inches instead? How would the mean and the median change? To answer this question, first make a prediction without using your calculator. Then test your prediction with a calculator. So you should be using a calculator. It makes your life a lot easier. That could be a computer, could be your phone, iPad, an actual calculator, whatever it is, please use it. Okay, so it's first asking us to make a prediction. What's going to happen to our mean or average and our median or middle number? So, and even before I make my prediction, I want to first know what my histogram looks like and also what I was working with before. So before, when we had that really low number, that outlier of like around 180 something, our average was 225. Oh no, that crazy decimal again. It's 9,375 hundred thousandths. That was our mean. And then our median was a simple 225. So I wanted to first kind of see what would my histogram look like. So this number no longer exists. And now I'm adding 225 to my histogram. So I'd find the 220 to 230 bin, and I'm going to increase the frequency by 1. Cool. So that's what it would look like. And now I have to make my prediction. What's going to happen to the mean? What's going to happen to the median? If you haven't yet made your prediction, pause the video. And if you're ready, let's continue on. So the first thing I want to do is I want to find my average or my mean, and I do that by adding up all of my numbers together. When I do that, I get 1,837 and 5/10, and then I'm dividing by how many numbers there are. So I'm dividing, in this case, by 8. So you should be using your calculator. I'm just showing you what the long division algorithm would look like. So I get down to here, right, and I ran out of space. So it ends up being 229 and 6,875 10,000ths. Yep, that's it. So that's our new mean or average. So if you said, hey, my average is going to go up, you would have been correct. Way to go. It did go up. It went up by about 4. All right, now our median, as you recall, is our middle number. So cross out your high, cross out your low, cross out your high, cross out your low. These numbers were already organized in high to low, or ascending or descending order, however you want to say it. And we arrive at our middle numbers right here in the middle. And remember, when we have two numbers in the middle, we have to then find the average. So I'm going to add the two numbers up, and I get 450, and then I take that and divide it by 2 because there are two numbers, and I get the median of 225. So what did happen? The mean went up and the median stayed exactly the same. So if you hypothesized that the median would stay the same, you were correct.